Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the IKARE hammock with stand. Alright, gonna assemble this thing, get rid of that stuff, and what do we got here? This has a nice little case for it here, that's pretty cool. Set that off to the side there. Here is the hammock. That's a cool little bag for this. That's kind of neat. It's like a little, like the design there. And here's the whole hammock right there. All right, this should be fairly easy. I think the hardest part's just gonna be taking all this bubble wrap off of here. Okay. Right there. Okay. This is a nice powder coated like metal here. Okay, that is solid looking. There's another piece there. More bubble wrap. Really nice wrapping on here. Another piece there. Got to keep all these. We got a warranty card and some instructions. Okay, this doesn't look like it's going to be super complicated, actually. So, pretty happy about that. I'm going to just try to freewheel this one without the instructions. See how good we can do here. Do like a speed run on the installation here. Okay, so we got these basic pieces here. I'll have my instructions off the side just in case. Move that out of the way. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so I'm thinking this is going to be the bottom part here. Likely going this way. And then another part there. So this is probably going to be the middle portion. These have these nice little snaps right here. You just push that in. That goes in over that and locks into place once you have it there. Same thing here. Just push that in and we're golden with that. All right. Next one, you just slide this right down on there. Same way right there. It's pretty good size here, actually. All right, and then we have this here. And how's that gonna come out here? It's like a little bit tangled up there, but not too bad. I'm gonna put the okay, that's going to go together right here also. This is going to snap into place. All right. And then one more over here. Go that way. All right. Got a little bit tangled up here in the netting. And there's that. Oops, looks like we got a little bit of a tangle here. Let's see, maybe that's twisted. Okay, here, I gotta figure this out. This could be the most difficult part of the whole deal right here. All right, that's it. That was easy. It just snaps into place just like that. And here we go. I wonder, I think I'm gonna be done that fast, is it? Okay, so it's a little low there, so we're just gonna move this up a couple chains up here. See how far, I don't want to be too far above the ground here on this, so I'll just adjust this up a little bit depending on the height here. All right, I think I'm going to give it a shot here. Oh, all right, still a little low. Still a little low. Okay. How's that look? I don't know how many to adjust it to. We can go a couple more. Okay. All right, here we go. You see these on. Actually kind of nice. Not bad, actually. The install is fairly easy. No tools required. This is pretty cozy, actually. I wonder how much this is rated for in like weight wise. But I feel like pretty sturdy on here. Like I'm not gonna fall out of there. Kind of bumped my tuchus there on the bottom, so you can up it a little bit more. But yeah, that is pretty nice. And what we got over here, we have a little pocket here. Put like a drink or a book or something in there. Yeah, super easy to set up, guys. Just took me a few minutes there. All right, guys, this is super easy to adjust. I just put this on there and get the whole angle on there, but it appears rather strong. I'm not exactly sure how much this can hold, but it's really actually quite comfortable. You see some of these on YouTube and stuff and people falling out of them. I didn't feel like I was gonna fall out of this one. Just felt actually really comfortable. I like the color. I probably wouldn't keep it outside. Just I live in a rainy area on the coast, and I would just be afraid that it might get rusty and then damage this. But as far as just putting it out real quick on a nice day, you can just pack everything up in this bag right there. Just since there's no tools required at all, you just unsnap it real quick, just throw it in the bag, and you can take it to the beach and set up fairly easy, guys. Not really a problem. And then you just hang out at the beach or something like that. Probably just put this in our bedroom and just have a nice little place to hang out. So, all right, my friends, thanks so much for watching this unboxing video. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time.